Here's how the motor's currently running. Now there's a funny crackling if I give it a little bit of gas. I'm not sure where that's from. It almost sounds like here.